What is up, YouTube? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy. You know it, I know it, and hopefully you'll appreciate this special edition. I've traveled with work, of course, to the middle part of Jutland. It's called Aarhus. And today I'm gonna tell you a little about what I do. It's maybe more a vlog for how I travel and what to look out for while you're on the road. So let's do it, all right? Alright, let's get straight to it. When you're traveling on the road and living like a bodybuilder, or at least living the bodybuilding lifestyle, it can be a bit hard sometimes. I can't stress this enough. You need to prep your meals. Make sure you're always a step ahead rather than being a step behind. Because if you are a step behind, unfortunately, you're not going to reach your goal. So, something you need to get yourself is a meal bag. Well, I'll do it like this, all right? So, in this, we have our first meal, second meal, third meal, fourth meal up here. We got our protein powder, and of course, you need a shaker. Otherwise, yeah, if you dry scoop this protein powder or a pre-workout or anything else for that matter, yeah, it just tastes like shit. So don't be an idiot. Now, something else you need to do for your own sake is shop some healthy foods. Make sure you have a high amount of protein in everything you eat while being on the road. Shop some good foods. Buy some protein shakes. These are from Protein Lab. In this bottle right here, we have 42 grams of protein. That's a lot. We have vanilla and we have chocolate. Get some pudding. This is protein pudding. It has 20 grams of protein. And roughly in this, I think this is around 140 calories. So that's nothing. Now, for the healthy carbs, just go with the salad. There's nothing wrong in eating salad. Yes, it might be a little boring, but what would you rather have? A fat pack or a six pack? That's up to you. Here we have some fruits. Again, eat clean. Now, if you want to eat dirty without eating dirty, so I'm gonna go with salmon today. I usually go with salmon, I go with steak, I go with chicken, I go with turkey, I go with tuna. Some healthy sources that doesn't have too much fat, a decent amount of protein. Now, these are the sources I'm gonna eat after I finished my own meals. So this is not something that's gonna come in between. This is maybe for tomorrow because I have my meals for today. Something else that you want to do if you're gonna hit the gym later, always go training, right? Always make sure you are on your schedule. So make sure the amount of supplements you take at home, well, why don't take it with you? So I have my creatine. I take this once a day, 30 minutes before my workout. If you don't know this guy, unfortunately, you don't know bodybuilding. This is Mr. Dorian Yates, Mr. Olympia. So go with people who have developed their own brands. I don't care if it's Dorian Yates or it's Hostile from Fuad Abiyad or it's Ronnie Coleman. Go with people who have done something great for the bodybuilding community and support them. Well, to hell with all these big brands. They're just in for the money, not for the quality. And also, I have my stim-free pre-workout. I take this again 30 minutes before my workout. I take it late evenings and it doesn't disturb my sleep. Now, the main reason I am here in this beautiful city is actually to work. So I'll get back to it and I'll see you soon. Alright? See ya.